it's what we need, it's what we use. So we sort of heard about these carriages and did a bit of research and went up to Nelson and had a look at them going and really liked what we saw. So we purchased one and it was number 13 and it's got to be probably 10 years, I'd say, getting close to it. Yeah.
Yeah, I was operating the first one for the first probably 2 years that we had it. Number 13 it was. Like safety and even production wise, it increased everything.
And then it sort of got to the end of its life. Oh, it sits there, it still goes, it's all ready to go, it's our backup one. We purchased another one and come up here and then all of a sudden someone said, oh, do you know this is the number 113? So, so that was just pure luck really. 13's lucky for some.
We feed the carriage a lot and it becomes so much more productive. Like he just lowers it down, gets it off the ground, and you just chuck him in the grapple and he just closes it as soon as he sees it and he's away, you know. It just makes it so much more efficient. You can get to areas, a lot of the areas where you can't get, there might be a rocky bluff that sticks out round where you feed it down below it. Generally all round just so much more efficient.
Now with the felling machine, you know, you can shovel a lot of wood to where you can get your carriage and that makes it a lot better. Like last month we had a tail spar up and we just shoveled all the wood under the tail spar, you know, and then just send the carriage back and pulling from the one spot. And it's pretty brilliant. You can do some good tallies like that. Because we've got quite big piece size in here, we're up to close to 8 tonnes, some of it. The Falcon seems to be a bit stronger. I do all my maintenance at night, so when I finish hauling for the day, it's a pretty simple machine. There's not a lot on it that needs doing. Yeah, I'd definitely say go to the Falcon Claw. It's definitely it's a sturdy machine, it's a reliable machine. Yeah, it's what we need, it's what we use, so yeah, it's brilliant.